I was kind of like, oh, I'm on an episode that's just stuck in a prison. Like I don't like. There's no bits in space. There's no like star fights. There's no droids. Out of all the Star Wars things that I could have got, couldn't I have got episode 6 where they're like, chasing through space?
What's wrong? Can't swim. What? What did he say? Can't swim.
I didn't know what episode of Andor I was going to be on, and when I first got the script, I I I was already on the show, and I think I was cutting episode 9, and then we got the
Yeah.
script for episode 10. So I hadn't even read 10 when I was cutting 9. Same on The Last of Us. I was cutting 3 before I found out what 6 was about, and then I got the script for 6. And I was like, oh yes, I get to do this one. And when I first got the script for 10, I didn't get it. I was kind of like, oh, I'm on an episode that's just stuck in a prison. Like I don't like. There's no bits in space. There's no like star fights. There's no droids or anything. I'm like, oh, and I was really like, didn't get it, and it took me a while. I didn't get. For anyone that knows the show, I didn't get why he ended up in this prison. I kind of felt, oh, this is a bit of a dog leg from the story, and I was like, oh. Because there was no sit down discussion to explain
Mm.
why, right? And I kind of wish I had, like, on the show I've just done at the moment. We do have a tone meeting at the beginning, and kind of we went through with the showrunner and the director and explained like what the episode thematically was about and stuff like that. Whereas on Andor it wasn't. And Andor was during COVID. I was just delivered a script and told expect your dailies on Monday. And then as I go on, I realized what it was that was going on with this. They're in this prison, they're building parts for the Death Star. Right. This is the gulag. And these things that they're making at this prison, in this prison slave labor situation, at the end of episode 12, you see them all coming together to make the Death Star. Now, funny thing about that wasn't in the script either. They didn't tell any of us that that's what it was. That was a very tightly kept, um, brain trust secret, that's what was happening in episode 12. So I didn't even know they were making the Death Star when I was working on the show. But then when I realized what it was that they were doing, that there was these references to the Gulag and references to slave labor, then I was like, oh, this is genius. This is brilliant. So I kind of, fell in love with it. Um, in a similar way to, I guess, the viewers are falling in love with it, and fans of it. I knew Andy Serkis was going to be amazing. Um, I knew that a breakout from a prison would be fun to cut. But yeah, when I first got the script through, I was like, oh, is that out of all the Star Wars things that I could have got? Couldn't I have got episode 6 where they're like, chasing through space and
Mm.
escaping with a heist? That was like the heist episode in episode 6, and I got this prison escape episode. But I'm very, very grateful, and it was brilliant. And I trust all the brilliant people that I worked with. But yeah, I didn't realize when I was working on it.